All right, this is file 24-21772-FH, People versus Damian Joseph Adams. We are here today for a pretrial conference. In this case, we are proceeding today in person and also by video conference. First, let me have, I'm sure Mr. Bain, was this your case?
I think it's Ms. McClure's, but I could step in.
Oh, okay. Sorry, Ms. McClure, you want to place your appearance on the record?
Phoebe McClure on behalf of the people.
Salvatore Malero on behalf of Damian Adams.
All right, and Mr. Malero, where do we stand with Mr. Adams' case today?
Here, I'm going to have to adjourn this out, maybe 6 weeks. Still gathering some information from Mr. Adams so that I can put this case in a better light for resolution. I think 6 weeks should probably do it.
Ms. McClure, is there anything to address from the people's side?
I wouldn't have anything to add unless Mr. Malaro wants me to put the plea offer on the record.
Actually, just once I get the information to you that I need to get to you, Phoebe, then I think we could probably talk about a final plea offer.
Okay.
It's a lot of mitigation information.
Okay.
So 6 weeks would be June 26th at 8:15.
I think that's fine.
All right, would you do the stipulation in order, Mr. Malero?
I will.
June 26th at 8:15 a.m.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you. Mr. Malero, I next have Mr. Rakes is on a Zoom device at the jail.
Thank you, Judge.
Are you going to?
I don't think I need a breakout with them at this point. He's probably gonna allow one, but I'm gonna go see him.
All right, let me do Mr. Brown's case first because he's been sitting there for a long time. Ms. Underwood, are you ready to proceed on Mr. Brown? Ms. Underwood, are you there?
Sorry. I'm here, Your Honor. Yes.
You ready to proceed? All right. This is file 20-20030-FH, People versus Kyle Leroy Brown. We are here today for a hearing on a contempt of court as well as a alleged violation of probation. We are proceeding today by video conference. Ms. Underwood, do you want to place your appearance on the record?
I'm going to do it for Mr. Brown this morning, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. And how does Mr. Brown wish to proceed today?
Your Honor, I've done some investigation, and as I can tell, the case downstairs, the allegations downstairs predate Mr. Brown's probation in this matter, so it would not constitute a violation. So I've discussed this matter with Mr. Brown, and he wishes to plead guilty to the violation for failure to report and the contempt, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Brown, you want to raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth under penalty for perjury?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you have a right to contest the violation of probation charge and to have a trial on it?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down if you want. Do you understand that throughout that trial, you'd be presumed innocent until your guilt is proven by a preponderance of evidence?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you also have the right to contest the contempt of court charge and to have a trial on that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that throughout that trial on the contempt of court charge that you would be presumed innocent until your guilt is proven beyond a reasonable doubt?
Yes, Your Honor.
With respect to either of those trials, you have the right to have all of the witnesses against you appear at your trial, to have your lawyer ask those witnesses questions, or you could ask them questions yourself. and to have me order any witnesses that you have for your defense to appear at your trial. Do you understand all of that?
Yes, Your Honor.
You are not required to testify at your trial, and no one can say anything about you not testifying or hold that against you in any way. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
On the other hand, you have the right to testify at your trial if you wanted to testify. Do you understand that as well?
Yes, Your Honor.
How do you want to plead to the charge that you violated your probation by moving from the state of Indiana and failing to let your probation officer know?
I've already done time on that. I thought I've already been. I think this is a different violation, ain't it? As far as moving from Indiana, I've already done and served my, what was it, 3 days or 2 days or something? I
I'm
thought
sorry,
this-
I looked at the wrong summons there. So I apologize. So how do you want to plead to the charge that you violated your probation by failing to report on May 9th and June 14th of 2023?
Guilty.
And how do you want to plead to the charge that you committed contempt of court by failing to appear on the summons for that violation?
Guilty.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're giving up your right to a trial and your right to have your lawyer's assistance at that trial, as I've already explained.
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anything been promised to you in order to get you to plead guilty to that, those charges?
No, sir, Your Honor.
Has anybody threatened you in any way in order to get you to plead guilty?
No, sir. No, sir, Your Honor.
If I accept your plea, you'll be giving up any and all claims that your plea is given as a result of threats or promises that were not disclosed to the court on the record today, or that it was not your own choice to enter the pleas. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is it your own choice to plead guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
So you had previously pled guilty in this case and been placed on probation. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And one of the terms of your probation was that you report to your probation officer as instructed. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And were you instructed to report on June 15th? I'm sorry, on May 9th and June 14th of 2023?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you fail to report on those dates?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
As a result of that, a summons was issued directing you to appear here in court to deal with those violations. And the court date was July 19, 2023. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you did not appear here in court for that hearing. Is that correct?
Correct.
I will accept the pleas. They've been given understandably, voluntarily, and accurately. Mr. Brown has had full knowledge of his rights and he's had competent counsel. I will refer this matter to the probation department for an update of your pre-sentence investigation. And we can set sentencing for June 21st at 8:15.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Brown, you can let the officer that's with you know that you are done with court for today. Okay, I'm sorry, Mr. Malero, you said you were ready to proceed with Mr. Rakes.
I am, Your Honor.
All right, we are on the record in file 21-20570-FH, 21-205, I'm sorry, 20656-FH. Those are both set for probation violation hearings. Also files 24-21776-FH, 24-21777-FH, and 24-21802-FH. Versus Devin Dean Rakes. Those files are set for pretrial hearings this morning. We are proceeding today partially in person and partially by Zoom. First, let me ask the attorneys to place their appearance on the record, beginning with Mr. Bennett.
Alex Bayonet from People.
Salvatore Malero on behalf of Devin Rakes.
All right, and Mr. Malero, where do we stand with Mr. Rakes' cases today?
Judge, I'm going to ask for a brief adjournment on these matters. I received a written plea offer yesterday. I was gonna try and go see Mr. Rakes at the jail yesterday, but I know the jail's doing some kind of internal construction and we have to see if there was availability, and there apparently wasn't any yesterday. So I think if a week or two adjournment would suffice, I can go over there, talk to him. I think the plea agreement is probably acceptable, but I just need to have it. I think we now have to have them signed, right? Is that what you guys want?
Right.
So, and filed with the court. So that's basis for my request for a short adjournment.
All right, Mr. Bennett, is there anything we need to address from the people's side?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, let's go with May 29th at 8:15.
Sure.
Give me 1 second.
Yeah, that's fine, Judge.
29th at 8:15. Mr. Rakes, you can let the officer know that you're done with our report for today.
Thank you.
I'll be over, Devin, either tomorrow or Friday.
All right.
Probably tomorrow.
Okay, let's see. So Mr. Lindsay is here on Zoom, Mr. Malero. Are you ready to proceed with him?
We are, Judge.
Okay, this is file 24-21749-FH People versus Jason Floyd Lindsay. We are here today for a pretrial conference in this case. We are proceeding today partially in person and partially by Zoom. First, let me have the attorneys place their appearance on the record, beginning with Ms. McClure. Okay, Ms. McClure has apparently stepped away from her desk for a moment, so as soon as she gets back, we will continue.
message from Judge. I don't.
Thank you.
Maybe she's ignoring me.
All right, Ms. McClure, are you there yet? Hold on. Do this one.
He's he is not here.
So what was that, Mr.?
She asked if Alex was still here.
All right, we've got Ms. McClure back. So Ms. McClure, this is Jason Lindsay. Do you want to place your appearance on the record?
Yes, Phoebe McClure on behalf of the people.
Salvatore Malero on behalf of Jason Lindsay.
And Mr. Valero, where do we stand with Mr. Lindsay's case today?
I'm going to ask to adjourn this one more time. I'm still in the investigation portion of this case, and that would be the reason I'm asking for the adjournment. For another pretrial. I think ultimately it will be resolved.
All right, Ms. McClure, anything we need to address from the people's side?
Nothing on behalf of the people. The last time we were in court, we had lifted the no contact order. I guess I just want to make sure everything's going well with that. We haven't heard from the victim on the case.
It was lifted that he could have contact, but was not allowed to live with her, and I think that's still in place.
Okay, but no issues have been reported to you, Mr. Malero?
Not to me, no.
Okay, thank you.
Let's go with June 26th at 8:15.
That'd be fine, Judge.
You can do that stiff in order, Mr. Miller.
Yes, I will. I'll give you a call, okay, Mr. Lindsay?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Clerk.
Yeah, I'm sorry about the delay on that.
Okay, Ms. McClure, on Michael Wilsey,
Yes.
I don't see a writ in the file for him, so we're gonna have to set that for another date.
Yeah, I saw that email this morning as well.
Oh, yeah, so, let's go with May 29th on that one.
And I think what's happening too is for MDOC cases, when arraignments are waived, I don't think our staff know, like, there's nothing to trigger that. I mean, there
Yeah,
should be in theory, but those ones seem to be the ones that slip through.
I was just thinking the same thing. We'll try to figure out if we can figure out a way to make that happen.
Yeah, I don't know, because you guys send notices for the pretrial, so maybe even say need writ or MDOC or something on the notice. I don't know.
I can probably put in the comments on the notice waived arraignment.
Okay, maybe.
something like that.
What's the next date on Wolsey? I'm sorry.
The 29th. He is not present. I don't have Rhonda here, so.
Am I good to go, Judge?
Yep, I'm sorry.
That's right. But it felt good to see your daughter score some scholarship. So,
Yeah, always like that.
So
thank you.
Yep, thank you.
is Miss Laux the last one?
She is.
Okay.
And I don't know if, I assume Ms. Underwood is over in Judge Antelope's court right now.
Sorry, Judge. I was getting a call this morning about a sensitive child abuse matter, so I've been kind of handling that while I'm doing your docket. So I'm sorry that I keep going in and out.
I understand.